Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Archer BE550 Wi-Fi 7 Setup Complete Installation Guide. Step 1. Unbox your TP-Link Archer BE550, carefully remove the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide from the box. Check that everything is included before you begin the setup. Step 2. Choose the best location. Place the router in a central, open area of your home. Keep it away from thick walls, metal objects, and electronic devices like microwaves to get the best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 3. Connect the Internet cable. Plug the Ethernet cable from your modem or internet provider into the router's WAN/Internet port. Make sure the connection is secure. Step 4. Turn on the router. Connect the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes until the LED lights become stable, indicating the router is ready. Step 5. Connect your device. Use a smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network. You can find the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the sticker underneath the router. Step 6. Open the setup page. Launch a web browser and enter tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. You can also use the TP-Link Tether app if you prefer a mobile setup. Step 7. Create an admin password. The first time you access the router, you'll be asked to create an administrator password. Choose a strong password and store it safely for future access. Step 8. Complete the internet setup. Follow the setup wizard to detect your internet connection. If your ISP provided a username, password, or VLAN settings, enter them when prompted. Step 9. Customize your Wi-Fi network. Create a unique Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and a strong password. Enable Wi-Fi 7 features if available and keep WPA3 security enabled for better protection. Step 10. Test your connection. Save all settings and allow the router to restart if needed. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network and test your internet speed, browsing, and streaming to make sure everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.